Hi friends, just wanted to show you these outdoor lights. They are so cute. I got 2 strands, so these are 48 feet long each, and you can connect up to 100 lights, I believe it is. And there's 15 lights on each strand. So again, this is 2 strands. It has a remote. How nice is that? And it does different things. So there's this called breathe. And then there's flashing, straight lighting, and you can actually adjust the brightness. So that's the lowest, medium, and high. On and off. It has a timer for 3 hours or 5 hours. It'll automatically shut off. So these are really adorable. And the best thing is, yes, they are waterproof, but they're plastic. You're not going to break them. Definitely worth it. They're so adorable.